Is the LifeVac Travel Kit truly the game-changing solution it claims to be in a choking emergency, or is it just another product playing on fear and emotion? With choking being a real and sudden threat especially for children, the elderly, or when you're alone, many people are searching for reliable tools that can make a difference when every second counts. The LifeVac has gained attention for its unique, section-based design that aims to clear airways quickly without the need for invasive procedures or advanced medical knowledge. It's advertised as easy to use, even in high-stress situations, and comes neatly packed in a travel-ready kit that's small enough to keep in a car, backpack, or suitcase. Some users report that it's been a literal lifesaver, successfully removing obstructions when traditional back blows and abdominal thrusts didn't work. Others appreciate the sturdy, well-built design and say it offers peace of mind, especially in households with children or elderly family members. However, the device isn't without criticism. Some question its effectiveness in all scenarios, noting that relying too heavily on a product could lead to delays in seeking proper emergency care or calling 911. There are also those who feel uneasy trusting a device over human response, even with several documented success stories. It's clear that LifeVac has its strengths. It's portable, simple to operate, and has reportedly saved lives, but it also leaves room for skepticism, especially among those who believe nothing should replace standard first aid training. If you're considering whether the LifeVac Travel Kit is worth the investment or just clever marketing, the experiences out there are mixed but thought-provoking. Want to explore it further? The product is tagged in this video if you're thinking of taking a closer look.